about records availability,
Okay.
but it involves the Christian Morales case. And so let me ask the question. I know that you said that you can't respond to some things, I guess, about that. My question is one that I wrote about when I wrote about that case before it was settled. And that is, the man was never arrested. There was an incident. And I asked for, well, the incident report was referred to in the federal court file. And yet that court file wasn't open to the public. And if the department wants public scrutiny and wants to prove that it's, you know, whatever it's doing, wants to give the facts out, why was that file, why was that incident report not included in what was provided to the public about that case?
From the court standpoint, I can't respond to that. I don't know the answer. Perhaps Mr. Reesfield does.
Yeah, because of the not only privacy rights involved, but a variety of rights involved. The federal court, I'm sure, sealed those records, and the records in that particular case are sealed for that reason. For the same reason as personnel, police privacy rights and privacy rights of the individuals involved prevent the disclosure of the information.
So, in other words, the officers who was represented, his attorney asked the court to seal them and they were sealed then?
That's correct.
Okay. All right, thank you, appreciate it.
I will say this, Mark, that it's unfortunate. There are times when the constraints that have been placed on us, and rightly so, for the right reason, but there are times when the constraints that have been placed on us prevent us from sharing a more complete picture. And it's unfortunate from the standpoint that if we were able to share that more complete picture, questions that people have would be answered to their satisfaction. I have absolutely no doubt.
Which is why I raised the question. I mean, if things were completely above board and that stopped, I could have read what had been said.
And I'm not just referring to the Christian Morales incident, I'm talking about incidents in general.
Okay.
The law quite clearly states we cannot share that information. We can't. Sir.